Now, one of the biggest mistakes you are making while removing stray hair is this. Now, when you are removing stray hair, I know you will cut out new adjustment layer. Then the next thing you do is to use this close stamp tool to try to, remove stray hair like this. This is one of the biggest mistakes you will ever make. Yes, this is one of the biggest mistakes, because once you mistake, you will have to delete this layer, then go back again, then start again. That's one of the biggest mistake. Now let me show you what to do that will easy your workflow. Now let's go back, let's delete this one. Now when you cut out your new adjustment layer like this, you don't need to work on top this layer. Yes, create a new empty layer. When you create the new empty layer, now don't use this close stamp tool. Use either this remove it tool or use this spot healing brush tool. When you click on any of these, the first thing you need to do is to sample all layers. Make sure you click on sample all layers. So with this now, you can work on this empty layer without working on this normal layer. Now what you are going to do now is to just come like this, draw it like this, very easy, very quick, you see, like this, and also when you are removing stray hair, do not remove all the hair. Yes, do not remove all the hair. You need to understand, do not remove all the hair. Make sure you leave some hair to make the image look natural. Like this place now, what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to remove those part of this hair, and if I want to remove this part of the hair, then I will have to trim it like this. Now after I do it like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to use this one, use this one, but first of all I will have to feather it like this. Feather it, then use this one, then do it like this. Now you can see, so now you see this is before and this is after. So you can see the edges are too sharp. So what can I do? Since I already have my empty layer, I can still make this thing come out properly. So what should I do now? We'll come here, come to this this pen tool, just draw it like this now, then use high feather, or use high feather, like let me use 3 or 4 like this. You see, now with this, now you can see this is looking okay than before. So with this empty layer now, you can do anything you want to do with the stray hair. If you want to be removing the stray hair one by one like this, you can use it to remove the stray hair one by one like this, you see, like this. So with this one now, you don't have issue. And if you want to remove this place that you just clean, just for you to trim it around, then you delete it, then make it natural. So instead of you working on this layer, you work on the empty layer. I hope you have learned something from this video. So don't forget to like this video, share and follow us. And also if you are looking for photo editor, don't forget to send us a DM. That is what we do at Nice Light Media. See you all in my next video.